Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the successors and predecessors and then Indian and international systems of numeration. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about the successor and the predecessor. Okay. So look at the page number 18 of your maths book. So first of all, we will discuss about the successor and the predecessor. Okay. So what is the successor? The successor means the number that comes after. Okay. Jitu number pasot ahe. Okay. So students, look at this example. The successor of 63,592 is 63,593. So this number comes after this number, right? So this is the successor of this number. Okay. The successor of 8,26,344 is 8,26,345. This number comes after this number, right? So this is the successor of this number. Okay. And do you know what is the predecessor? Predecessor means the number that comes before. Jitu number agot ahe. Okay. So students, look at this example. The predecessor of 98,632 is 98,631. So this number comes before this number, right? So this is the predecessor of this number. Okay. Now I am showing you one example. So look at here. These are the numbers given here and we have to write the predecessor and successor of these numbers. Okay. Look at this number 28,790. So the predecessor of this number is 28,789. That comes before this number. Okay. And the successor of this number is 28,791. That comes after this number. Okay. Next, come to the exercise 1.5. Write the successor of each of the following numbers. So here we have to write the successors of these numbers. Okay. I am giving you one example. Look at here. 4,61,288. So the successor of this number is 4,61,289. Okay. Next, write the predecessor of each of the following numbers. So here we have to write the predecessors of these numbers. Okay. I am giving you one example. So look at here. 5,72,399. So the predecessor of this number is 5,72,398. Okay. So students, in this way you have to find out the predecessors and successors of these numbers. Okay. Now we will discuss about the Indian and international systems of numeration. Okay. We follow the Indian system of numeration and use the Indian place value chart. Most countries outside India use the international system of numeration. Take a look at the difference between the Indian and international systems of numeration. So we generally follow the Indian system of numeration and usually we use the Indian place value chart, right? But outside of our India, most of the countries use the international system of numeration. So we should also know about the international system of numeration. Okay. So students, look at here. This is Indian place value chart and this is international place value chart. So look at this Indian place value chart. These are the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And these are periods: ones, thousands, lakhs. Now look at this international place value chart. These are the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. And these are the periods: ones, thousands, millions. Now let's see how to read and write a number according to the Indian place value chart. Okay. So according to the Indian place value chart, we can read this number as 56,87,709. Okay. And according to the international place value chart, we can read this number as 5,687,709. Okay. Now look at here. In the international system, we write 1 lakh equal to 100,000 and 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. Okay. So always remember this. Now come to the exercise 1.6. Write the number in words according to the Indian system. I am showing you one example. Okay. So according to the Indian system, we can write this number as 6,08,752. Okay. and this is 3,09,764. Okay, so in this way write the numbers in the words. Okay, next write the number in the international place value chart and also write the number name. So I am showing you one example how to write it. Okay, so students, look at here. First of all, make this international place value chart. Okay, and put the number in this way: 574,261, and then write the number in the words: 574,261. Okay, so in this way write the numbers in the international place value chart and then write the numbers in words. Okay, next draw the Indian and international place value charts and write each of the following numbers in both the charts. I am showing you one example. Okay, students, look at here. This is the Indian place value chart. Okay, and we have to put this number in this chart. This is 71,83,542. Okay, and this is international place value chart, and put the number in this chart in this way. This is 7,183,542. Okay, so I have given you the example of this number. Okay, so put rest of the numbers in the Indian and international place value charts properly. Okay, next, using the international place value chart, write the numeral for each of the following number names, separating the periods with commas. So students, here the numbers are written in the words. Okay, and you have to write them in numeral with commas using the international place value chart. Okay, so students, do the exercise 1.5 and 1.6 properly at your home. Okay, thank you.